Found an egg.
What are you looking for, Lauren? Eggies? Where did you see any eggs?
Mom, look, I found an egg.
Ethan found an egg?
Lauren, look behind you.
Can you find any eggs, Lauren?
On this chair. Look at here. On this chair.
Hi, I found another one.
You found an egg. Are there more?
Oh, Lauren.
Go find more, Lauren.
Awesome.
Lauren,
Another one.
Look at this. I found one in the plant. Oh, she doesn't have it. You want to give them to Grammy to hold?
Found an egg.
Go get more.
Go get...
I see another one.
Found another. Even sliding glass of it.
Oh my gosh, Lauren. Want Grammy to
Let her get the low ones, okay?
I'll hold them and you go look for more eggs. Grammy, you look for more eggs.
What do you have, Carson? How many? Any that are really low, Ethan, let her get, okay? I heard one crack already. Okay.
So show her where it is.
Lauren, go to Ethan. Ethan found more.
Guess what the Easter Bunny did?
Open. Go to Ethan. You gotta find more eggs. We're not gonna open them yet.
Right here.
Find them first. Don't open it.
You don't open eggs yet. I
Found an egg.
Anything for them to put them in?
Guys, the blue basket on the kitchen.
Here. Go find more.
Nice.
I found more in the kitchen. I see more.
Do you see more eggs? Find more eggs.
Oh, hard to
Oh, I don't think there's any eggs in there, but you're looking. Oh, she did find one. You stinker.
Put them on the table. Go find more.
Go find more. Go put it on the table.
Found another funny one.
Hey, Lauren, I see one by Grammy. I see one by Grammy. Do you see one by the flower?
Did you see an egg? What is it, Lauren? Eggy.
I see another one.
Carson's got a fistful.
Lauren.
Put them on the table when you're done, Carson. Oh, yeah, don't eat that stuff yet. Lauren, put it on the table, please.
We'll have it after breakfast.
Yeah, we gotta have breakfast before we can eat. There you go.
I found a basket.
Good
Lauren,
girl.
I see another egg by the door.
Carson found a basket?
Carson, found yours, Granny.
Whoa. Well, let Lauren see. Let Lauren see what you're doing, because she doesn't know what else to look for.
Mine.
What is that? No, Lauren. Candy everywhere. Free for all.
Lauren hooching.
That's okay.
You can have one, I
They're
think.
plastic eggs, guys. They come apart if you just look at them. Eggy.
I see
Eggy.
one.
Found yours, Granny.
Well, I didn't know I had a basket for him.
Easter Bunny's got to bring a basket.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, an eggy.
Lauren, I got that. Lauren, you found a special pink egg.
You found an egg.
Put it on the table. Go find more eggies. Look by the door,
Lauren, I
Lauren.
found one.
Look by the
I
door.
found an egg.
Oh, she did.
That door. I was looking at the other door.
Give it to Rand.
Look by the other door, Lauren.
I found one.
She sees it. She's in there.
She gets it now.
Yay!
Eggy.
I wish I
Find another egg? Oh my goodness.
Are there more? More?
Oh, that's it. Lauren, I see one.
Come here.
Go to Daddy. Daddy knows where an egg is, I bet.
Mom, I found another egg.
Oh, under the lamp.
Mom, I
What'd you
found two eggs, but one is super high up.
By the window.
Oh, so you can't reach it?
I can't.
Can you get a chair to reach it?
I can try.
You can try. Go get it.
Oh, you got it.
I found another basket.
Lauren, go in the kitchen. Ethan's finding some in the kitchen.
I found another basket.
You found another basket.
This one is entitled Lauren.
Lauren, oh, let her find it. Let her find it. Let her find it. Show her. Lauren, look back over there. Look over there. Oh, she's getting eggs. Lauren, what's under the table?
What's under the table?
What's under the table? She's another egg for one.
I found another special pink egg.
Lauren, what's this? What is this? What's that?
Oh.
I found another basket.
Get your basket. That's Lauren's basket.
Oh, she's like, oh, there's an egg.
There's an egg in it. I don't care about the basket. I'm going for the egg.
You need the egg in.
Okay, put it on the table. She likes the eggs.
I found this special pink egg.
Having fun with the egg.
Oh, yeah, but look at this
There's some
one.
candy down there.
Candy free for all. Pick them up.
We're finding boatloads of eggs.
Boatload.
What is it, Lauren?
Go in the kitchen.
Go in the kitchen and look for eggs.
Colors. See if you can find any by your colors.
Eggie.
Look over here. Hey!
Ethan found one.
Laura, look over here by your colors. See if you see any. Oh, I see. Well, let her get the low one.
Let her get the little one.
Yay!
An egg.
Turn around. Ethan.
Oh, Ethan, let her get those. Let her get those because they're low.
Ethan.
Hi, Juno.
What?
Dad found one that's high.
Get it? I see another one.
Oh, Eggie.
Right by it. Warmer, hotter.
Yay! I see more.
Lauren.
She's got to put them on the table.
Oh, okay, yeah, she's putting them on.
Wonder what Lauren will have for breakfast.
Yeah.
Lauren usually eats a banana. And some cereal.
Lauren might have a banana for breakfast.
I see it. Look at Lauren.
Where do we keep the bananas?
Look at, she knows where the bananas are. Cookie? You got lots of candy after breakfast.
You found it.
I wonder how Mom will. What does Mom use to make manageable, bite-sized pieces of banana?
I got you covered.
I got you covered. Where's your sister? Where'd Lauren go?
Somebody should look out the window here and see what's going on across the street.
Oh, is there something going on across the street, Lauren? Oh, Ethan found an egg.
Finally, I get an egg.
Oh.
Any more?
We have new neighbors with boys across the street.
Oh, good. Did you meet him?
No, but we're going to go meet him another day this week.
Ah!
Oh, Carson found one.
Inside my own jacket.
What do you think, Lauren? Eggies. Oh, I think Grammy's getting close to one. I thought there was.
Oh my goodness, Lauren.
Ethan, I think it might be a high one.
Oh my goodness, Lauren. Did you see any eggies over here?
I thought I saw something. It's a high one.
You want it down. Keep finding it.
Oh my gosh, Carson, how many eggs do we have so far?
I have no idea.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone, let's go upstairs.
You want to go check upstairs?
Yeah.
All right, go upstairs and see if we find eggs.
Let's go see if we find
Go
eggs
upstairs. Maybe there's eggs in the loft. She got one. She has one in her
I
hand.
know, but I see low ones. Oh, Lauren got them. Oh, how many do you have?
What is our favorite game to play?
Now, Grammy, to hold.
Oh yeah, give them to Rand. Rand will hold them.
Okay,
I
let's
know
go
you
look.
don't like it because no one ever wins.
Anything next to the
Oh, that's not our
armoire?
favorite game. I think there might be another game that's our
Let's look,
favorite.
Lauren. Any more eggies?
Eggies. Where are eggies?
Hungry, barfing.
Hey, don't be gross. Ethan.
Found one in that set.
Oh, good job, Lauren.
Lauren,
You found it in my kazoo.
Lauren,
In the Kong Zoo.
Lauren, look here.
What's that?
More eggs.
More
I
eggies.
found an egg that's low.
I cut it.
You can pick up one or two that are low. That's fine.
Yeah.
Look over here, but
Nice, Ethan. Ethan, Lauren got another eggie?
Ding, ding.
she's giving them to Carson.
Lauren Houdin got another eggie.
Eggie, yeah.
You
I
deserve
see
a
one.
break today.
I see one behind Mom. Look
You
behind Mom.
do.
I'm looking at one.
You do. Oh, and the lightsaber.
I found another basket.
Oh, Carson found a basket.
This one is entitled Mom.
My basket's back there? Alright, let me see.
Where the heck is my basket? And typically I think it was mine or Ethan's.
Oh,
we love that.
Behind the couch? Oh, my basket!
Carson, we can get one basket every
Can't reach it and take a video at the same time. I found my basket.
You know where.
Gotta find it, Ethan. Dad's gotta find his too.
Carson.
Oh, I think.
Over here.
I have one idea.
Lauren, who is it?
Oh, always there's one in
Lauren.
appliance.
Here, let's go look for a basket. See if we can find one. Ethan.
Where's Lauren?
Yeah.
Alright, where are you gonna look for
I
a
want you to
basket?
come look with me for something, Ethan.
Okay.
Eggie. Let's look down the hall, Lauren, see if there's any more eggs.
Oh, it's too cute.
Can you look in there, Ethan?
In the dryer? Why would a basket be in the dryer? Carson's basket's in the dryer?
Yeah. Oh, I think I see one.
Crazy Easter Bonnie.
And here is that one.
In the office? Nobody sleeps in the office.
Well,
There could be an egg in there.
Oh, I
Probably
see one, Lauren.
Or there could be a basket in there.
Her. Oh, it's not. Is that an egg?
Looks like one drawer is a little askew.
Well, one of those drawers doesn't work.
Dad!
Dad's basket.
Hey Ethan, you know where we haven't checked? Where? Follow me and I'll show you.
Do you see any eggs?
There are more
Look for
baskets
eggs.
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 No, eggs. Wait, no, we didn't sleep in our room.
Hey.
Hey, we sleep.
Hey. Don't forget to look for eggs.
Lauren, I see one.
Lauren.
Here's an egg.
Lauren and Eggie.
Look at right by your doggy.
Right next to Juno.
An
egg.
Big one. Oh, she's giving them away.
Where?
Where?
Ethan's got to find his basket.
Where could it be?
Did you look in the
Hey,
shower?
did you check it? Oh,
Did
in
you
the
look in the
closet?
No.
Did you look in the shower?
No.
I don't know why. I mean, it would get all wet if it were in there.
It is!
What'd you find, Ethan? Did you get your basket?
Hey!
Lauren's like, let me
Lauren,
at it.
your basket's down in the
Nice, guys. Were there eggs in there, too?
Yeah. I found one and Ethan found one.
I
Awesome.
think you must have gotten them all.
Lauren, we found the last egg.
We found the eggie.
Can you find it? The last missing egg. Can you find it? Can you find it? Do you guys see it?
Yeah.
Okay, give her a clue.
Lauren.
Do you find it? I can't believe we missed it. Over by Mommy's. Oh! It's over by Mommy's clean laundry that I have to fold.
We found the last missing egg.
At least the last missing real one.
Lauren, no, that's the last egg. You need
Last eggie.
now.
Take it downstairs.
Take it downstairs.
We'll make deviled eggs for lunch. Whoa, sit down, baby girl.
Lauren.
On your bottom.
Lauren, don't take that. No.
No? She likes her eggies.
She loves it. Ew.
That was fun, Lauren.
All right, who's being the jelly bean inspector?
Jelly bean is, oh, that's my job. And it's pronounced Easter bean, not jelly bean.
Easter beans.
Easter beans, Easter beans. I want Easter beans.
Yeah, I think Easter beans taste good.
Easter beans.
But look at all this amazing stuff I got.
I know. All right, let's go through the beans because some have, or let's go through the eggs because some have different candies.